Let's flip through this junk journal, which will be available in my Etsy shop, link down below in the description box. Hi, this is Mel from MelPinkJournals. So this journal, I have some measurements for you. I'm prepared today. So it measures 15 by 22 by 5 centimeters. It has 4 signatures and 72 pages. Put this here so that you are able to see this. So it's a hardcover journal. So this is the front with this really beautiful button here. This is the spine with this eyelet and 4 signatures, and the back, and this is the closure. It has much growing space left and it closes like this, and it can grow really much. Oh, let's close this up. So these are the charms, so some beads and buttons, wooden buttons. Here is a music note, some more buttons and wooden beads, and hopefully you can see it a bit. So some painted wooden beads and some special charms. Here's another music note. So they look like this, and this silver eyelet. You can put the beads and charms out of your way while journaling. So let's start the flip through. Maybe it would be good to open it up before. So this is the inside. I covered the inside as the outside. I covered with some fabrics, and the inside too with this cool fabric which I dyed by myself. Then you have different papers. This is the paper. This is dotted, and here is some washi tape as decoration. And it has it's a bit smaller. Then you have something like this scrapbooking paper. This is from Tim Holtz, for example. Then you have this clear pocket here. So this is the plastic pocket with the journaling card, where you can write on the back, and a self-made journaling card. Of course, you can change things up. Oops, another dotted paper. This is scrapbooking paper with 2 big pockets. This is the middle of the first signature, and you have this really big journaling card with this 3D, oops, I can't see it, with this 3D effect things onto here. Don't know if you can see it so well, but anyway, here I put on some foam, so this card is a bit 3D and it gives you much of writing space. And you have these 2 cards into here. This can function as for example, on a page like this, you could glue it in on 3 sides, and then you would have a pocket, or you could glue or staple it in on the top and the bottom, and then you would have a belly band. Otherwise you can use it as a usual junk journaling card. So the other side of this clear plastic pocket with this card which says "Ooh la la," and this is from Tim Holtz. Here we have this heart-shaped paper clip and this fold-out page with another self-made journaling card. Oh, and another journaling card with this wooden embellishments, these wooden hearts. So next signature. This is some watercolor, and this is an envelope I cut open on 2 sides, and in here you have 2 journaling cards, which looks like this. And a flip up. I inked the edges. Here you have some hidden journaling space, so like a little booklet, which is bound into here. Some pockets which are upside down with some other journaling cards. So this is from a paper pad, Tim Holtz again, I think, or maybe Stamperia, I don't remember right now. And another card I created by myself. So you have a few things to explore, and you have some pockets you can fill with your own stuff. Some other journaling cards. flip up. The other side of the envelope, sealed on 2 sides, and of course here, so it's just open here. And some journaling cards again. Nope. This is the other side. Maybe I'm able to put in the cards again. And you have this letter-shaped paper clip and some other journaling cards and a fold out. These are all clipped together with this paper clip, like this. This is the other side of the... Oh no, this is an envelope again with some journaling cards and bits and pieces into here for you to use in this journal or in other projects. And it's tea-dyed. This is a tea-dyed craft paper and some more scrapbooking paper with a fold out. Here you have a little bag with some goodies in. So you have this crocheted flower here. I will show you the other things. You have this frame. These are some digital printables from Roxy Creations from Etsy. This too. Another of these frame things. Some smaller bits and pieces. And these are some fuzzy cuts, so these two. And this again. And this is just a punch out from a paper pad. I will put it back into later. Then another journaling card. The other side of the envelope, some journaling cards. A fold out, a piece of a coloring book page in gold, and I stenciled a bit on the back. This is the thinner paper from a paper pad. This is the tea-dyed paper again, and this is the cool thing. This is the middle of the last signature. This is a map which folds out to the bottom, and you can open it like this. It gives you a lot of writing space or creative space where you could put in photos. So let's pretend, for example, this would be a photo. Then this would give you a background, for example. And you close it like this. Oh, let's see. No, this was wrong. Like this. And then this. So it gives you a kind of a half-open pocket as well. And this is a bag. So I will put these things together, back in this paper bag. I hope this video gave you a bit of inspiration. If you're interested in the creating process of junk journals, please take a look through my channel. I have many videos of creating processes, not for this specific journal, but for a similar kind. And if you're interested in buying some stuff, okay, I will do this later because it takes a bit of time. I will link my Etsy shop down below in the description box, where you can find this journal and many other junk journals and ephemera for junk journaling. So these are the measurements again. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more junk journal videos, crafting videos, and some bullet journal videos. Bye!